Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the fingerprints. Okay, after you heat it for 10 to 15 minutes, okay, you just put the pen set inside, try to open it right around like this. Make sure you heat it a bit. If you don't have the heater at home, you just try to open it slowly because it's rubber. Okay, open it right around like this. Okay, you remove the back cover. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw back of the phone. So many screws. So many screw back of this phone. Make sure you take out all the screw. You leave only one screw, the one on the ringer, this one. Okay, make sure you take out all the screw back of the phone. After you remove all the screw, you remove this back camera cover, because there's a screw under there you need to remove. Okay, you take it out. Okay, you remove this screw here. Okay, and after you remove the screw, you disconnect the fingerprint cable from here. Okay, then you open this back cover, you take out the SIM tray. Okay, then you open the frame, open it right around. Be careful, don't scratch the phone. Take it out. Okay, and you open the fingerprints from this side. Just take it out like this. You remove it. Okay, then you replace the new one. Okay, then you fix back the cover. You close it right down. Okay, then you fix the fingerprint cable. Make sure you fix it very nice and you just press it inside. Okay, then you fix back the cover. Before you fix this cover, you replace one screw first from this side. Okay, then you fix back the cover and replace all the screws back of the phone. So many screws. Make sure you place all the screw back of the phone. After you place all the screw back of the phone, then you put the glue. Make sure you put it right around the phone. Don't put on top the screw, just put it right around like this. Okay, after I put the glue right around, okay, now you just close the back cover. Just put it straight like this. Okay, don't forget to put back the SIM tray. Okay, then you put this rubber at the back of the phone. Okay, then you put this one. Make sure you put 3. If you don't have it, you can still use the sellotape just for a few minutes. Okay, you put at the top here. Okay, then now you check the phone. You see fingerprint, the finger volume key, the power key, and see if it's working. It's pressing down. Try to on the phone. Okay, the phone is on, the battery is low, that means the fingerprint is okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.